Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Maria once again, and today we'll be doing eyebrows. So as I promised from the other video, I promised that I'm gonna make you a video especially for the eyebrows, and today we're gonna go step by step, one point to the other in making the eyebrows, and I really hope that you're gonna learn. You'll be able, at the end of this, all of you will be able to do your own eyebrows. Yeah, because that's what sisters do, right? In the meantime, please subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and kindly share. Yep, so right now we're brushing the eyebrows. I don't have so much of the eyebrows, so just to make it neat so that it's easier when I start lining my eyebrows. I hope you've been fine. I've been well. I just happen to have a flu. I think you can hear from this voiceover that I actually have a flu that started in today. I think there's an outbreak or something, but anyway, I hope I'm gonna be fine. I'm happy to be back again. It's always a pleasure to share with you these tutorials because it doesn't cost anything, right? Yeah, so we will get right into this, and I hope you enjoy. Let me know if this is going to be helpful to you. If there's any place that you missed, I would love to know, but I would really love to hear from you. The only way I'm gonna hear that is by commenting. Kindly comment and let me know what you think of this video. I'll see you at the end of it. Okay, enjoy yourself. Subscribe, share, comment. I love you. So guys, thank you for sticking by. This is how we finish up with the eyebrows. you should use a darker foundation or concealer on the upper part, or not just dark, but just use a concealer of your skin tone on the upper part. That is to make it blend well and look more natural on your skin. I really appreciate you. I hope you've learned. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share, and I'll appreciate if you comment and encourage me. Let me know if it has been helpful. So this is the final look. See you in the next one.